Hi, thanks for viewing my channel. This is Claire from Claire's Culinary Adventures, and what I'm making today is oxtail. Um, I don't know about you guys, but I have to season up all my meats. This was seasoned up last night. By seasoning, I mean I put onion, scallion, um, uh, garlic, some mixed seasoning, salt, black pepper, and a little more garlic powder. That's what I did. Or any seasoning you have, you use it. Any seasoning you like. So now I have this pot over here, and you can see the smoke. It's it's hot. So I'm gonna start putting these in there. I'm gonna brown them. By browning, I mean searing them a little, so they get a little color. And you do that, and you take off all the seasoning as best as you can, and sear them so that it gets a little color and get rid of some of the fat. So that's what I'm doing right now, and I'll continue doing this, and I'll take those out when I'll take one set out and put another set in, because my pot is not that big. I mean, it's big size, but it's not that big. So I'll keep adding to the oil. Of course, you know I put oil in there before. I mentioned that. You have to put oil in there because you're frying. Sort of. So anyway, I'm filling it up with the pieces. Of course, you got to take off all the seasoning. Don't forget, because then you'll have burnt seasoning in your pot. Burnt scallion, burnt onion, and all that stuff. So you don't want that. So if I see a piece, I'll take it out. Because no matter what you do, a piece is gonna get in there. Alright, so anyway, I'm gonna let that get brown for a little bit. Now with another piece. Right here. Yeah. I'll let that sear for a little until it's browning up, it's browning up. But you need this the color. I don't like to add all kind of browning and stuff to my cooking. I like slow cooking. I like good cooking. So anyway, you can add a little soy sauce. I'll see. So that has a little sweet tonic and I'm trying to get it off. Anyway, I'll get it out. Anyway, so let that brown. I'll turn it down, so now I can turn it back up. Anyway, so that's gonna brown for a little bit, and when it's brown enough, I will show you my next step. And thank you for watching. So I'm turning them to let them brown on the other side. So that's what you have to do if you're doing this and you don't know how to do it. Some people just put this in the pot and cook it, but I like for them to have some color. So I am turning, and yeah, that's about what I want for them. I don't want them to burn, but I want them to brown a little and have a little color. Okay? That's your piece of scallion from one of the sound of the pot. But it will be bitter when it's done. It will leave it there. So I'm moving from the frying pan, and I'm putting them in the pressure cooker, because I am going to cook them in the pressure cooker. I don't want to sit there boiling all day, for it to boil all day. So I'm removing this set, and I'm going to put another set in. So I'll put the next set in and come back to you when I do. See, I still have a lot more in here. So I'll put these in. I'm just putting all the meat the rest of the meat in the frying pan. And as you can see, my seasoning is left back in the bowl. So this I will add when I'm putting the meat in the to cook. So here. So this is the last of it. This is Sunday, and we're doing this for Sunday. Somebody knows to be special. Right on TV. Almost always, but sometimes I don't necessarily want that. But I'm cooking some the rest of my cooking with my pot. That's my family. Anyway, this is gonna cook. And I'm browning all the meat. And I put water in the pressure cooker. I put a couple of pimento seeds in it and put the seasoning in, and I'm gonna cover it and let it cook. All right, and I'll come back and show you what's next. I forgot to say I'm gonna put it for about 25 minutes, and I'll take it off. You know, turn the stove down, take it off, and see if it's ready. I don't want to cook it too long because you know you don't know how tough meat is, so you take it a little at a time. 25 minutes at first, and if I have to put it back, I'll put it back, and go to the next. So guys, my pot is cooked. You know, this is the oxtail, and I did add a little more seasoning, thyme, and a couple pieces of scallion, and I also made some dumplings. Roly okay? My grandkids love them, my daughter loves them, and I don't mind. So yeah, so this is the oxtail. So I made rice for the grandkids. Sorry, steam. But I'm gonna cook some food for myself, and I'll show you my dish when it's done. But this is tender, soft, everything is good. I didn't need to put it back a second time to pressure cook it because you know the one I did it like 28 minutes and it was okay. So it's ready to be eaten. So this is something you can do. I'm sure you, if you're Jamaican, you've done it many times. You know. So there you go, oxtail, Jamaican style oxtail. So guys, oxtail is finished cooking. I shared everybody's dinner. This one is mine, and I'm gonna have it with a little salad and some syrup. And one of my granddaughters, she loves salad, so I made her one individual plate of salad, and that's her dinner. We gave them rice because they don't like food, you know. They're Americans, they grew up here. They know nothing about hard food. So anyway, you know, we give them what they want. Anyway, I'm gonna sit and eat and enjoy my food. The oxtail is nice, soft, delicious, and that's it. Okay, thanks for watching. Please subscribe it if you haven't yet done so. Um, and I'll be making more videos much more often now because I was ill and I'm feeling better now. Okay, thanks for watching. Enjoy the channel. This is Claire signing out.